Hello guys, this is Dr. Homeopathy. We have an Instagram account to follow for interesting knowledge about Medramedica. Mental generals. Alphabet N and O. Starting with Naja. Suicidal insanity broods constantly over imaginary troubles. Next come to Netrum Carp. Inability to think or perform any mental labor causes headache. Intolerable melancholy and apprehension, wholly occupied with sad thoughts. Attacks of anxiety and restlessness during a thunderstorm. Aggravation from music. Next come to Netromure. Irritability, child cross when spoken to. Crying from slightest cause. Consolation, aggravation. Awkward, hasty, drop things from nervous weakness. Marked, disposed to weep, sad weeping mood without cause. Next come to Netrum Sort. Inability to think. Sad, gloomy, irritable, worse in morning. Depressed, lively music makes her sad. Satiety of life, must use self-control to prevent himself from shooting. Dislike to speak or to be spoken to. Next come to nitric acid. Great anxiety about his disease, constantly thinking about his past troubles. Depressed and anxious in the evening. Morbid fear of cholera. Irritable, headstrong, hateful and vindictive. Inveterate, ill-willed, unmoved by apologize. Next come to Nox moscata. Absence of mind, cannot think, great indifference to everything. Weakness or loss of memory. Vanishing of thought. While reading, talking or writing uses wrong words, does not recognize well-known streets. Changeable humor, one moment laughing, the next crying. Sudden change from grave to gay, from lively to serene. Next come to Nux vomica. Person of a ardent character, irritable, impatient, disposed to anger, spite or deception. Inclination to commit suicide but is afraid to die. Literary studious person who are too much at home. Gastric abdominal complaints and costiveness, especially in drunkards. Next come to opium. Delirium, constantly talking, eyes wide open, eyes glassy half closed, face pale, deep coma preceded by stupor. Thinks she is not at home, this is constantly in her mind. Pricking of bed clothes during sleep. Delirium tremens, old emaciated person, bloated face, stupor, eyes burning hot, dry with loud snoring. Thank you guys, hope you like it.